Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you the ways to download TinyTask on Windows 11. So to download TinyTask on Windows 11 you have to open up a browser, and on the web address bar you need to go ahead and type in TinyTask. When you type in TinyTask you can see a list of options, so from there go ahead and press on the link that is right on top or on the first, and when you do that it's going to show you all of these information right on this page. So here you have all the information and the different versions as well. So in order to download it you need to go ahead and tap on the download version, that is 1.77, and after you're done downloading it you can see the exe file right on top. Double click on it in order to run the installation. After that you can see that a tiny task has been already added. Now to check whether it works or not, you open up a notepad. When you open up a notepad, here you can see this sort of interface, so you could go ahead and click or add a new tab. So first of all, before you start recording, press on this pref button, and after that you need to go ahead and select recording hotkey. Go ahead and select F12. So after that you need to go ahead and click on record and type in the message, and then go ahead and press your F12 button, and when you press on it you should be able to see it's working. So that's basically how you can download and install TinyTask on Windows 11. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.